Hello there, my name is Bartholomew, and thank you for joining me. I have something valuable to share based on my own experience, so let me ask you the following. Do you dream of having the freedom to work online anytime? Well, I'm sure you do. Just imagine working from home or from a beach resort at your own leisure and when you choose. I'm sure you wish to break free from your employment and become your own boss, taking vacations whenever you want, at any time you freely decide. Well, I've discovered the way and I can help you. But first, kindly listen to how I got there. During the pandemic, working from home seemed like a dream come true. More time with family, no more tiresome commutes, and an escape from the stresses of the office. However, the reality was different. Despite working from home, I found myself spending even more time in front of my laptop than I ever expected, at times more than 12 hours a day. What's more, I grappled with feelings of guilt whenever I took breaks or stepped away from my laptop to do things you normally wait till the weekend to do. I wondered, how can I put all this energy to become my own boss and be on holidays at all times and not report to anyone? So I first tried trading cryptocurrencies, but faced so many risks and market volatility. It was amazing during a bull market, but then comes the crypto winter. So I needed something else to complement. So I decided to explore different aspects of e-commerce. For example, I tried dropshipping and spent months building my own store, finding my niche, selling my products, and then designing a strategy to find the winning product. I really enjoyed building the store, selecting products, and all the design aspects. But then I did not enjoy the time it took to get traction. The customer complaints, supplier frustration, long shipping times for my customers, and then the funding on Facebook and Google ads certainly drained my savings. I realized in the end it was not my thing. I then decided to look at affiliate marketing. Everyone talks about it, basically selling other people's products and taking commission. So it was logical to explore Amazon affiliates, but their commissions were too low. I needed something even better. But here is the game changer. I discovered high ticket affiliate marketing, selling other people's digital products that have high commission. That was my secret. So why? Well, it's low risk, it's low investment, and the whole approach is highly scalable. I targeted commissions from 30 to 100% of the advertised product sale value. The best part is you are free from product inventory worries. There's no product to manage, no suppliers to deal with, no shipping delays, no customer complaints, or customer service to deal with. So what could be better than that? So if you're ready to take the first step towards financial independence, just look at this amazing free ebook I have that helps you to get started immediately. So here it is. To get your free book, visit my site, bartholomew.com, or you can scroll down below the video and click the link in the pinned comments to get to the same site, your free ebook gift. The free proven steps to quit your 9-to-5 job with high ticket affiliate marketing. So remember, I mentioned throughout the video, you don't need a product. You are selling other people's product. You need very little experience, and certainly you don't need to be a tech expert. So visit my site and click the free book download, and you'll be on your journey saying goodbye to your 9-to-5 job, create passive income, shows you how to build a life of complete time and financial freedom, work from anywhere at any time, and create multiple passive income streams on autopilot, which is what allowed me to have my freedom and do what I need to do anytime, anywhere. Thank you. So don't miss out this valuable resource. As a reminder, please scroll down below the video and click the link in the pinned comments or in the description to get your free ebook gift and start your journey to success with high commission affiliate marketing. You'll have the opportunity to work online anytime, just like I'm doing now. So thank you for listening.